Kadalasan we do decide or make conclusions by our own understanding na hindi natin tinitignan both side ng part bago tayo mag-come up ng decisions or mag-come up ng conclusions. Nagbe-base lang tayo na kung ano lang yung pagkakaintindi natin. Pero kulang sa facts, kulang sa details. And minsan nga, kapag nagbe-base tayo sa conclusions ng sarili natin pagkakaintindi, hindi natin nakikita why the persons came up to that point. Nag-judge na kagad tayo. Na ganito siya, ganyan siya. We may usually a quick understanding without knowing or hindi man natin inaalam kung ano yung talagang totoong nangyari. What is the real facts? Minsan, nagagalit na kagad tayo dun sa tao or nag-judge na kagad tayo sa tao na ganito, ganyan. Pero hindi pala natin alam yung totoong detail. So, it's better that before we came up into a judgment, both sides we know and we understand. Because kadalasan nagkakamali because we judge by our own understanding. Kulang yung detailed. So, we have to make it a point na we have to look on both sides before we make a judge for us to understand well what's happening. Hindi lang yung narinig mo to, nung pagkarinig mo to, nag-judge ka na kagad. Kasi, isa din sa magandang exercise or attitude that hindi tayo basta-basta naniniwala sa kung ano lang. Sabi nga, ang maniwala sa sabi-sabi, walang bait sa sarili. That's why it's very important that when we do judge or estimation on some things around us, we have that full detail, the true detail. Hindi lang yung kung ano lang yung narinig mo, yun lang yung papakinggan mo. At yun lang yung iintindihin mo by your own understanding. The true understanding is you know well both sides, what's happening.